that? Who's that?
Hi, Ian. Let me see your face. Oh, up. Are you standing in your fort? Okay, down. Bye-bye. Where's Ian? Oh, hey. Can you go back in the fort and go up? Let me see you go in your fort again. Where did Ian go? Whoa! Whoa! Are you okay? Yep. Hi.